Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial after ages. I feel like it's been forever since I did a makeup tutorial, and by the way it's currently 12 AM and I don't know why, but I just felt like doing a makeup tutorial, and especially doing a makeup tutorial on this very juicy, hydrating and dewy makeup look. It's the kind of makeup look that I feel the most comfortable in, and this is just me. Hope you guys pick some tips and tricks, and also I will be using like all of my favorite products in today's video. So all the product links will be mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. Also, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel already, then please make sure that you guys hit that red subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon besides it to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Please subscribe for more beauty, fashion and lifestyle related videos. And now let's get right into the video. I'm back with my bare face now, and I'm gonna start with skin prep first. I always keep saying that skin prep is the key to a good base makeup. It has to be glowy, dewy and just very hydrating. So first I'm using this L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This is how it looks like. I'm currently obsessed with this serum. It is so glowy. It is very hydrating as well. I just like to rub it between my palms and pat it on my skin. I know hyaluronic acid is supposed to be used on damp skin, and I generally use it like after I wash my face. I don't pat my skin dry. I directly use a hyaluronic acid serum. You guys can see this serum gave me like that instant glow. And next for moisturizer, I will be using the Mamaearth Aqua Glow Gel Face Moisturizer. This is how it looks like. This is again very hydrating. It gives like that instant glow to your skin, and again this one has hyaluronic acid. I have extremely dry skin, so I naturally like everything which has hyaluronic acid in it. Also taking it under my eyes and my eyelid. Moving on to primer, I'm using my favorite Wet n Wild Prime Focus Primer Serum. This one is again very hydrating, and it makes my skin so glowy, hydrates the skin so well. This has to be my favorite primer of all time. If you have dry skin, you really need to try this primer. It is so hydrating. For foundation, since we're doing this very glowy, hydrating base makeup, I have to use my K-Beauty Hydrating Foundations. I like to mix these two shades. This one is 145 N Medium and this is 170 White Tan. Combination of these two shades makes my perfect shade, and this is like a very lightweight foundation. It has very like less coverage, and it is just so hydrating. I love this on my skin. If you don't care about like covering every single acne mark on your face, then I think this foundation is for you. And again, this foundation has hyaluronic acid in it, and that's why it is so hydrating. I feel like I've literally used everything with hyaluronic acid till now, and it is just the best for dry skin. If you have dry skin, just use every product with hyaluronic acid. It's such a light coverage foundation. A brush will actually work really well, but I'm just very habitual with my makeup sponge, so I'm just using this one. And you guys can see the finish is so beautiful, and it will not cover everything on your face as I said, but the finish is just very beautiful. If you have watched my previous makeup tutorials, you know that I don't take my foundation under my eyes, because I think it's just not necessary, because I will anyway use a concealer to cover my dark circles, and using a foundation is just that extra layer of unnecessary product under your eyes. So I don't like to put foundation over there. I'm using my most favorite Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Caramel. This is my perfect skin color, and I know there are like hundreds of other concealers out there in the market, but I still love my Fit Me concealer, and I think this just gives me the perfect kind of coverage, the perfect color, and the finish is also so good. Now before I set my under eyes, I'm going to be using a liquid blush, and I think a liquid blush just makes your cheeks look so flush, and it looks so natural and so blended into your skin. So I'm going to be using this blush by Flower Beauty. It's the Blush Bomb Color Drops in the shade Melon. I'm just warming this up on the back of my hand and applying this on my cheeks. If I had to recommend one liquid blush, it would definitely be this one. I think I enjoy using this liquid blush so much. It looks so natural. Now I will go ahead and set my under eyes, and for that I'm again using my Fit Me Loose powder. I just like to set my under eye area because I like the rest of my face to be very dewy and glowy. For bronzer, I'm using this Lakme Absolute Moonlit Highlighter. This is actually a highlighter duo, but this particular shade works as such a good glowy bronzer for my skin tone. It looks very sun-kissed and just very glowy. I'm using this angled brush and just applying it under my cheekbones and my temples. The star product for my glowy skin will be the e.l.f. Monochromatic Multi Stick. This is how it looks like. This is I cannot even call it like a blush or a highlighter. It's something in between. It has that little bit of color which is not too evident, but it has these micro glitters as well, which makes your skin look so glowy and so juicy, I would say. I like to pick this product on my brush, and even though it's like a multi-purpose stick, I don't like to use it anywhere else but my cheeks. I like to sweep this across my entire cheek, and you guys can see that kind of glass effect that it gives to my skin. It has like micro glitter particles. If you come really close, you can see those glitter particles, but from a distance you cannot really tell, and it makes your skin look juicy. I think this product is just amazing for the wedding season as well. It's the wedding season right now, and if you're looking for that very glowy, like that glow from within kind of a product, then this is something that you should definitely try. And even though this is like a multi-purpose product, I don't like to use it on my lips or even my eyes. Cannot even think about using this on my lips because it is so shiny, but I love using this on my skin. So this is how my base makeup looks like. You guys can see it is very glowy, very juicy. Now moving on to my eyebrows, I'm going to be using this Lakme Micro Brow Perfector. For my eyes, I'm going to be using this same bronzer that I used on my face, and I'm just applying this on the crease of my eyelid. I feel when you use same products on your face and your eyes, it just binds the entire look together and it looks very natural. And then I'm using this highlighter side on my eyelid. Before using mascara, I'm just gonna curl my lashes first. And today I'm gonna be using a new mascara which is by Lakme. It's their Iconic Volume Mascara. It's one of their new launches and I haven't used it yet. The wand looks very thick and it's like a jumbo sized volumizing wand. Let's see how this works. By the way, this is a waterproof mascara, which I don't think Lakme has any waterproof mascaras. I think it's their first one. You guys can clearly see the difference. This mascara is so volumizing. My lashes look very fluttery. So I'm done with the entire makeup look, and now lastly for lipstick, let's just skip the lipstick today and go with a beautiful lip gloss. If you know me, you know that I love lip glosses. At first I thought that I should try a new lip gloss, but then I was like, let it be, I should just use my good old favorite nude lip gloss, which is by Lakme. It's the Lakme Absolute Spotlight Lip Gloss in the shade Creme Caramel. This has been a favorite since the past couple of months. It is so creamy, so glossy, and it has so much pigment as well, as you guys can see. So this is the final makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this quick and short makeup tutorial. This is sort of like my go-to makeup look. It's the kind of makeup look that I feel the most comfortable in, and I hope you guys picked up some tips and tricks. All the products that I used today will be linked in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. And also don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon besides it to get notified whenever I upload a new video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.